Good morning. It is now 6:25 in the morning. I have school, and we start at 7:20, so that's why I'm up this early. What was I gonna say? Okay, so I'm going to be doing a sneeze prank. All right, so I'm gonna be like going around today, and I have some setting spray. It's by Ulta, nothing crazy, and I'm gonna go. Shoo! So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and it's gonna spray on them, and they're gonna be so pissed. So I'm gonna give y'all a rundown of how this is supposed to work.
We are not doing this again.
Dude, we're not doing nothing. I'm just talking. Right? You know, I'm in here. There's Katie. And Coffee Boy. And then, can I go to the bathroom? Achoo!
Cybersecurity. I'm not gonna learn to do that.
Cybersecurity, you have to write reports.
Get reports, but
You have to be able to do them grammatically correct. You have to, and if you want to go up the food chain and be in management, you're gonna have to be able to email people, deal with, corporate, all sorts of things. You're gonna need to write. Now, you can't write.
Oh, spray it.
I'm in.
Hey guys, so I'm here with Cherish. Dude, you're not slick. What are you trying to do? Hey guys, so I'm here with.
Oh, you just sneezed on me. Oh my god.
It's a prank.
Teach Algebra 1 and peer assistance and leadership. Pals.
It was a prank. I didn't really sneeze on you.
I teach, oh, okay. That was some spray, not your sneezing.
Hey guys, so I'm here with.
Daniel.
I'm sorry. Okay, so hey guys, I'm here with.
Brian Watts.
Will Harris. Chris.
Okay, and
I'm already doing this.
what sport do you play?
I play football. You might know me.
Bro, no.
What's your name, bro?
No. Hey guys, so I'm here with. Look at these characters.
Marcelo.
Okay, and what class are you in right now? Hey guys, so I'm here with.
Francisco Garcia.
And what are you doing in this class?
We will. What the fuck?
Sorry. It's a prank. It's a prank. Hey guys, so I'm here with.
Oh, Alexander.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, I know it's spray.
Yeah, it's a prank. Hey guys, so I'm here with.
Fernando.
Okay, and what are you doing in this class?
What?
I'm sorry. It's a prank. Hey guys, so that was the end of the video. We got a lot of people pranked him. I don't know what to do. Okay, this is Cassie. She helped film and get people for the video the whole time. You know, she's a good contributor, whatever the word is. So yeah, we'll be doing another video soon.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yeah. We'll do it tomorrow. All right, so.
What's up, guys?
4K, 1K. All right, so, yeah. Did they say anything? I don't think so. 4K, 1K, out.